to find intercepts on a graph. Intercepts are, that's very similar to the word intersect. So if you know what intersect means, then intercept is pretty much the same thing. To intersect, that is where you cross, all right, like an intersection where the two roads cross. So intercepts would be, where do you cross that axis? So if you want to know the x-intercept, you're going to look at the graph. All right, see, this is the graph right through here. This line is your graph. Several people get confused. They see an XY coordinate or XY coordinate system and they think that's the graph. That's just a grid. What you put on top of it is your graph. Okay, so this on the right, that's really bad. This curve, that would be your graph. The X and Y axes, that just creates a grid for you. So if you're trying to find the x-intercept, you're looking to see where this graph hits the x-axis, and it would cross the x-axis right there. All right, that is at the point -3, 0. So the x-intercept is at -3. If you're looking for the y-intercept, I'll use a different color on that one. If you're looking for the y-intercept, you are looking to see where it hits the y-axis. Your line hits the y-axis at that point, which is 0, -6. So the y-intercept is -6. Even if you have a curve, it's still the same way. So if we're looking for, I'll start with the y-intercept this time. You're looking for the y-intercept. That curve hits at one spot. All right, so it hits at 0, 1. So the y-intercept is 1. If you're looking for the x-intercept on this curve, well, it hits in two places. So this curve actually has two x-intercepts. It has an x-intercept at -1, 0, and it has another x-intercept at 1, 0. So this graph has an x-intercept at -1 and an x-intercept at 1. So your graph can have more than one intercept if it's a curve. It is possible that you don't have any x-intercepts, or maybe you don't have any y-intercepts. That is also a possibility.